to Seattle.
One car, one dude. Okay, picking up another dude along the way. 17 days, 3,000 miles. What can possibly go wrong? Alright, it is 2:27 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm finally heading towards my trip in my beautiful car for the next 18 days. So we gotta get going. Let's go. So this is my setup. Okay, let's finally go. Hi. Thank you very much. Okay, forgot to tell them I don't eat onions. Oh, that's unfortunate. So pretty. Sunbeam. Okay. Oops, I killed a lot of bugs. Okay, a little bit tiring, but still manageable. All right, now I'm gonna have dinner. Let me see what's on the menu today. Got the beautiful, the works best burger with onions. Oh my god. With onions. Oh. No onions. No thank you. Take out all the onions. Okay, I should probably clean my hands. Alright, 1 second. Oh, shit. Okay. Alright, good stuff. It's an amazing burger.